Hi.
Hello.
So we left Auckland this morning. We decided that we would come and view a van out in Tauranga.
We were also just sick of Auckland because
No, it wasn't our favourite place, and we did manage to get bank accounts and things sorted. So we're gonna come and look at this van today, and then we will make a decision whether we want this one or the one in Auckland, and we'll have to go back.
yeah, but that's also fine. Another piece of good news was Alex got her visa through.
Oh yeah, so we can actually work once the bank and IRD numbers and stuff are through.
So
Yeah, that's good.
We're getting there.
We are nearly there, but Tauranga is a very nice place. It looks very, very nice from the bit we've seen, and yeah, it was nice on the journey. We got the intercity bus because we just got to see some nature because we haven't seen any yet.
Yeah, it was a nice journey. We sat at the top at the front, classic school bus style, and enjoyed it.
Yeah, so let's go see if we can view a van.
We're leaving Auckland.
Tauranga.
Hey.
On the bus to Tauranga. We
Yeah.
got the front so we can see.
Front of the bus.
I wonder how this night will be. The apple does not fall far from the tree. She said I almost died a week ago. I lost my will, I thought I'd let you know. The countryside, the water so I wait up here, I just letting you know. Wait along the corridor. Some would say they've seen me here before. Do we need to go this far? We do know who we are.
Thai food.
Hot pan in a bar. Thai.
Vietnamese, Korean. This place was made for us. Dumplings.
Not just dumplings, dumplings.
Lunch special 14.
Hey, so we've made it to a Vietnamese restaurant which we went to eat, but they had a good lunch deal on that we've ignored and gone for a bigger bowl of noodle soup. But we're both hungry, so it's wonton.
Chili. You want us not to put too much chili in? We've managed to check into our hostel at Wanderlust. It's very nice. It's very expensive, but it's so much nicer than the last one. Just to have some natural light and be warm.
Yeah, it's
all those basic things.
Yeah, the other one was fine. The guy who worked there was really nice. But the place itself was functional at best.
Yeah.
Whereas this does seem nice. But yeah, we had some food, as you saw. We also stopped and had a coffee because we picked up our new debit cards from our Kiwi bank accounts. So that was useful. And the coffee was really, really good. The guys that owned it were super nice.
Yeah, had a chat with them.
Yeah. Pulled faces at their baby because she was adorable. And they ended up giving us some free cheese and jalapeno like bread stick because they can't sell it to their clothing.
Nice.
Yeah, free food. So now we need to go probably do some shopping. Go to the supermarket, just get dinner for the next 2 days.
Yeah. So we found out that we can't view the van until like 5. So we're just hanging around doing some stuff before then.
Yeah, it's not that long. It's actually only like 2 hours, I think.
But it's so much nicer here.
Yeah, two and a bit hours. But yeah, so we'll get some dinner, see the see the van at 5.
Yeah.
And then make a decision for us or for the van.
On either van or
Either.
neither van? See.
Right.
Yeah.
The first day of Johnny. Our new van.
Yeah. We've just been figuring out what's in Johnny so we know what to buy.
Yeah. But we're gonna go look at the beach.
Yeah, because it's a lovely day.
Hello. So we've been quiet for the last few days because since arriving in New Zealand we've had quite a bit to do. One second, I'm gonna just hold it that way. So yeah, we've managed to a couple of good things. I think we've said before, but Alex's visa is accepted.
So I can work.
So she can work. We have got our bank accounts, which is good. We're waiting for our ID numbers, which are the numbers that allow us to work. And yeah, we've just, you can't see him, but he's over there, just bought ourselves a new home.
Yeah.
Johnny the van.
Yeah. We're going to spend the next few days just getting him set up whilst we've got some accommodation.
Yeah.
And then we can start actually living him in like freedom camping or holiday parks or Department of Conservation sites, things like that.
Yeah, and we just stopped, we parked up, and where we parked up was this. So yeah, I think we made the right call.
Winning day.
So today is a fun day.
Yeah.
Because today we get to introduce you to a new member of the family.
Yeah, this is Johnny.
It's Johnny! Johnny is our new van and our new home for the next
We don't know yet.
Yeah. So yeah. Let me show you John. It's our new van, Johnny. We both failed doing that.
It's heavier than you think.
This is gonna be our home. Hey.
Johnny. We're just figuring out what we need for him. We got lots of space.
Yeah. So at the moment it's in bed form.
It
Does have all the things, but it's a solid bed at the moment. So we're trying to decide potentially.
If we ruin this lovely mattress to make it into seating,
Yeah.
it would be a lot more convenient.
Yeah. But yeah, it's really nice. It was more money than we wanted to spend, but
it's right. It's
Yeah.
the right one.
it's really pretty as well.
It's...
Hey!
Hi.
So, yeah, you've not seen us for a few days, but we've, what else to really say?
We spent a bit of time in Auckland sorting bank accounts and things out, and then we came down to Tauranga to look at a van,
Yep.
which we ended up buying,
Yep.
which is exciting. And we
Johnny the van. We have shown you him already,
Yeah.
but now we just thought we'd end the video here because we just haven't been doing much. We're just sorting stuff for the van, going through. We've got the first night of the Women's World Cup, which is happening in New Zealand. We're actually going to the final as well. This is just the opening night. We've got our first beers and we've cheated and got
Pizza.
Domino's because it's been a long day.
It's also very cheap.
It's really cheap. For us it'd be £5 for 2 pizzas.
Yeah.
Well, six something, but still ridiculous. So yeah, good day. We're definitely getting there.
Yeah, we're nearly there with the van. We've bought a lot of stuff for it and then just tweaked where we want things. And then we're probably going to spend another couple of days sorting things out.
Yeah.
At a different motel place.
Yeah, because we leave this Airbnb, which was I'm glad we came here.
Yeah.
The hostel. Hostel was alright. Hostel was fine. It's just nice to have your own space.
Yeah, we had stuff everywhere.
Yeah. But yeah, we cannot wait to actually give you a proper van tour. That might happen in the next video.
Yes.
We just need to actually find someone to do it and sit and properly go through, and then we can
Yeah.
properly introduce you to Johnny.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, we will see you in the next video.
Yeah. Bye.